In filtering experiment, what is required in filtering, as I have told you that where we have done the rectification from full wave rectifier of using center tap. Okay, so for rectification, now filtering is required for connection of a capacitor in parallel with the load, connection of a capacitor with parallel with the load, and the load, the capacitor which is used here is generally electrolytic capacitor. Okay, electrolytic capacitor is used generally for filtering purpose. So if I will tell you about the electrolytic capacitor, then you can see here that one leg is little bit long and another leg is little bit shorter. So if it is one leg is long, means it is a it is for positive side and this is for negative side. On negative side you can also see here like one black strip is there. Okay, so if one black strip is also shown when and so it designates that this is negative side and this is positive side. Okay, and one thing about the rating of the capacitor, then it is 40 volt and 100 microfarad. Okay, the complete specification of this capacitor is 40 volt and 100 microfarad. So if you want to go for the 100 microfarad capacitor of bigger size, then the voltage capability must be higher. So for 40 volt it is like that only, the size of the capacitor. See this capacitor, this paper capacitor of some exponent value is written here. Okay, so X form, so AP is AEC 2.5 volt. So this paper capacitor is is of very less value, and it is also there is no polarity of this capacitor. There is no polarity. The material, directive material which is used inside this capacitor is is paper only. So that's why it is called as paper capacitor. Okay, and see here like lots of capacitors are used in this IC, and this one is BJT. It will tell you about this one in upcoming videos, upcoming experiments, but presently I have just taken this PCB to just show it to you. This is like a capacitor, and you can see here the rating of this capacitor. It is 10 microfarad. Okay, and it's 63 volt, 10 microfarad and 63 volt. And this one is black one, you can see here like 100 microfarad and 50 volt, 100 microfarad and 50 volt. You can see the color coding of the resistor also. It is yellow one, quarter watt power dissipation. See, it is green one. Okay, so the maybe the color coding, which is color is used, same color may be used here, but the power dissipation capability of this resistor is more as compared to this one, as I have told you. So this resistor is same. Okay, now what I want to show you once that what will happen if I will do the filtering part, then the diode current will move from this side, and this side. Here it will move from this side, and which will come to this side. Okay, so now current will move to this side. Then what will happen here actually? When current will divide into from this to this, so it means the positive point of capacitor should be connected here, and negative point of the capacitor should be connected here. Okay, because after applying proper voltage only, then the capacitor will electrolytic capacitor will be able to decompose into its component dipole, and after that in these dipoles you will get the, after getting these dipoles the capacitor can work properly. Okay, so what will happen, like previously one thing I went to show you by diagram. Okay, so if this is the power supply which I am getting, okay, from the primary side, and after that, after rectification, I am not considering the value, the crest value is 220 or like that. I am not considering that one. Just I want to show you the filtering process. So this one is the full wave rectifier output, having just double the frequency, having just double the frequency. If it is 50 hertz, then it is must be 100 hertz. And what will happen after applying the capacitor? Like it will charge up to here the maximum value. This capacitor will charge up to the maximum value, and when the value of sine wave is going down, then it will start discharging through the load. Now that the capacitor will start discharging through the load, and it is getting point here, and then again starting discharging from the load and getting point here. Suppose I have got the capacitor, like for what will I basically do? What will I get now? I will get like this, and output I will get like this. So it is ripple. It is not proper DC. It is ripple. So what I can do, I can apply a voltage regulator IC outside of this one. Generally it is used. One thing I can also do, like between crest, I will know the value of the time lapse between the two crest. I will know, I am knowing the time value is lapse between the two crests, and from 2t is equal to RC time constant 0.69 RC time constant, I can select the value of C, so that I can get after, like it will stay smoothen like this one only, and again getting the crest, like this. So that only I can also get like this one. But the problem, what was the problem? If I am increasing the value of capacitor across the load, a certain the main problem for this is the main problem across if I am increasing the value of capacitance across load, that what is the main problem? The main problem is that the current circulating across the circuit is much higher. What will happen? If you have chosen a large value of capacitor, and then you must know that Xc is equals to 1 upon 2 pi Fc. The value of C increases means Xc decreases. The Xc decreases and frequency remains constant. Okay, so this will be treated as short circuit. So lots of portion of current will go into this one. So it must I have increased the value of C. So the value of current from which it is going to charge is now much higher, and that value of current has to go through this diode. Okay, so the current carrying capability of the circuit is now increased if I have increased the value of capacitor. So what should I do? Like I can't be able to take I will take 2000 microfarad. No, I will not get any ripples. I will get the straight in DC line. But what will happen? Actually, it will happening. It is basically one thing I also want to tell you, that you can. I'm saying just the crest part and all. You can also see it like that. The amount of time for which the diode is conducting. It is like that. It is conducted for small time, and the capacitor is charged. Now diode will start not conducting certain amount of time. So if I will draw the VI complete characteristic of the input side, then it is like that. If it is power supply, then at input the peaky nature of current you can see, this one peaky nature of current you can see like this. Actually, if I am using this type of thing in our supply, basically I am polluting my power supply. Why? Because whatever things I have done, I have creating the unstabilization sort of destabilization of sort of thing. So it is not a good habit to have a large value of capacitor in any circuit. Okay, so for rectification purpose I have taken the capacitor but having some ripples, and after that I will apply the voltage regulator IC, which is taking in parallel with Zener diode, which will be discussed in the lecture also. And I have like in experiment also we have drawn the characteristic of Zener diode for reverse bias region. So it is as a voltage regulator IC, it is used in parallel with the supply. So you will get the proper amount of voltage. So for filtering purpose you have to depending upon the actually the supply is constant. So generally what we will do 0.1, 10 and 100 microfarad capacitor will be given in laboratory, and then you have to do the experiment. but in this experiment you have to must take care about the proper polarity of the capacitor. If the polarity of the capacitor is wrong, then it will be burned out immediately, because the now here it is AC, was now when after rectification it is coming DC. And what I call this one, this it is basically actually pulsating DC. It is not the proper DC, it is pulsating DC. It is a sort of DC. Why it is DC? Because like it is not changing its polarity. If like if it is in one side and having not changed the polarity, then it is DC, but it is pulsating DC. And this one is the when whatever the characteristic is there in above x-axis and below x is same, then it is AC only. So in next I will show you the waveform for the when I have applied the capacitor. See, I have applied the capacitor here at the it is 100 microfarad capacitor which I have applied across the resistor. Here you can see here, like from the one end of the resistor I have kept a terminal of condenser capacitor, and another terminal of capacitor is connected to the another terminal of resistor. And now I can see the result of the result in the CRO, and I haven't changed the time voltage settings here. If I will change it like this one, okay, like you can see the ripple now better way, okay, you can see the ripple here, little bit ripple is there because I have chosen the 100 microfarad capacitor, so it is like that only. This is the filtering process. Now I will show you the result when I have applied 0.1 microfarad capacitor or paper capacitor. See, I have applied now paper capacitor here at 0.1 microfarad, and see what the waveform I got. It's just like normal pulsating DC, whatever I have got, and having not much effect from that. And if I will remove this paper capacitor, then you can see here now it is coming to straight into this one. Previously it is not here. Previously it is little shifted upward because of this capacitor only, and now it is having complete rest. So 0.1 microfarad capacitor is not much effective as compared to this 100 microfarad capacitor. I can also show you the result by applying 10 microfarad capacitor. In that case you can see ripples, but having little bit in larger amount. Okay, you can see here I have connected now 10 microfarad capacitor, 10 microfarad capacitor with having the voltage rating of 63 volts. Okay, 63 volts, 10 microfarad capacitor with the voltage rating of 63 volt. And now you can see the voltage waveform across this one is coming like this. Now you will get certain ripples. As for 100 microfarad I have got the straight line. For 10 microfarad I am getting some ripples, and for 0.1 microfarad I have got crest sort of thing. So it is less effective. But what are the disadvantages and advantages of connecting lots of capacitor for the filtering process, for connecting higher value of capacitor for the filtering process, as I have told you. Okay, I think it's now it is complete for center tap transformer filtering process. Okay, thank you.